Hi guys, today for my first video on my new YouTube channel Pretty Food, we are making these savory crepes that are stuffed with chicken filling. This is such a pretty looking wraps that are also easy to make. You ready? Let's go! Okay, first we're gonna start with the filling, and on high heat with a little bit of oil, we're gonna put some diced onions. For the list of ingredients, you're gonna find it in the description below. Next, we're gonna add some diced chicken breasts. Next, you're gonna add some soy sauce and some Arabic blend spices, which is shawarma here. You can replace it by some ginger and turmeric or just pepper and salt. Here I'm adding some mustard, a little garlic powder, and don't forget to put the salt and pepper, of course. Next, I'm adding some mushroom that I diced into small cubes. It's canned mushroom, but you can also use the fresh one. Finally, we're adding some cooking cream, and we're gonna mix, and it's finished. For the crepes batter, we're gonna make it in a blender. So first, we're going to put some milk. Next, we're adding the eggs, some cheese, which is optional. You can replace it with some grated cheese. Next, we're adding some garlic powder, some dried oregano, salt and pepper, the melted butter and the flour, and we're gonna mix everything until smooth. On a medium heat, you're gonna cook the butter on both sides, and don't forget to put some butter or oil so it's not gonna stick. So finally, when everything is cold enough, we're gonna stuff the crepes like so. And this is the final touch. I like to grill them on both sides, so it's gonna be a little crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. And you're done! You can decorate however you want or not at all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share so you can get my new videos. Bye!